Your ideal retrofitted high-speed Ethernet solution for the large-scale networking and digitalization of your video surveillance system. Using conventional coaxial or two-wire cables, Gigabit Ethernet extenders enable broadband data transmission of up to 1 gigabit per second over a distance of up to 1 kilometer. Simplify your cabling and connect up to 15 extenders together in various topologies. With Power over Link, you can also transmit the power supply for the extenders over the data line and forward this through to the end device with Power over Ethernet.